No.
Oh my gosh, so many bats.
Wow.
We are at the bat caves, guys. Apparently thousands of bats come out of this cave and it happens every single night. I can't mention bats without automatically thinking of Ozzy Osbourne.
Sharon!
About 1 hour.
Wow.
So many.
Look, one's one right above your head.
Wow!
Yeah, we've got about 40 minutes of this, haven't we? It's not us I feel sorry for. Did you mind?
I was born for survival. Look straight in the eyes of a tiger. You should warn all my rivals. I aim for them like a sniper. Got the heart of a lion. There ain't no denying. Made a promise I plan to keep. Blood, sweat, and tears. Now we're about to shift gears. I'ma knock you right off your feet.
I think that might be the cave.
Can you hear the thunder roll?
Come with us, guys.
So I think we go this way.
Don't know what way we go. You can get little drinks as well. 50 baht entry, which is in English pound. I don't know, we'll lob it on the screen. You also get a free bottle of water.
So this is the viewing platform that you can come up. Wow. There's honestly not even that many people here, so it's a proper
That's really
hidden
brave
gem.
though.
It's like a cinema.
Yeah.
What a cool experience. And for Trav as well, and it's the anticipation of like waiting for it.
P.S. What a time for the guy to come out of his strimmer. Right before. It's like when the trailers come on and you really just want to watch the film, but then the trailers are alright, but you've got the adverts. That's what it feels like in with the strimmer.
These guys are really like entering their chill cinema mode. Look at that. So there's a viewing platform which is on top of their house there. There's some seats and stuff to watch it from. And some friends that came a few weeks ago said, come down to
really
this secret
cool,
garden
yeah.
bit down here and hopefully some of the bats might fly over your head. We're gonna take a gamble and maybe have a little look and maybe sit and watch it from down here. Even from the toilet you can see the bat cave, so you can't ever miss it.
It's so cool. I've just never been it's really wicked.
This is actually our last night in Hua Hin as well, so what a sick end to like an amazing 2 months. What about standing up? We're just biding a bit of time. We've got about half an hour until all the bats come streaming out. It's as soon as the sun goes down, I think it gets cooler, and then thousands of bats shoot out. But apparently it happens every night, so I'm going to watch it live together.
Thousands of bats are coming out that massive hole cave. Oh my gosh, look at the mammoth, and the bats are coming out of that hole, or I'm thinking that tiny hole.
There keeps being these like huge gusts of wind out of nowhere, and it's gone really quiet and a little bit eerie because we're about 50 meters away from the viewing platform and we're right underneath the cave, and we're hoping that the bats are all going to fly over our head. That's why we're here. Look, we can't even see the viewing platform anymore. It's behind them trees. Tash and Trav are just sat there waiting, and the sun's gone down, so any minute now we're going to see a natural phenomenon in Thailand. So fingers crossed, guys. We're bringing you along. So it's 6 o'clock now, and apparently the bats all come out at about 6:30 because it's summer. It's a little bit later now, this time of year, which is, so it's March at the minute. March. This guy's just come and put floodlights on, so I think we're getting ready. It's getting close. You can feel the anticipation building. They're in there and they've got to come out.
Any second now.
Bats come out, there's going to be loads. Hopefully thousands and thousands of bats come out. And if we're really quiet, then we're going to be able to hear their wings going like bap, 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 bap.
What about the eagle?
We've got about 10 minutes left. Trav's filming. Everyone's a little bit on edge because it's about to happen. We have 10 minutes left. It's 6:20. It's gone really weirdly quiet and really eerie. Any minute now. What did you see? What's that over there?
Is that an eagle? Is that a big bird?
Yeah, I saw it just over there.
So that's
We've just seen a big bird come out. Trav, did you see it?
Yeah.
Look there.
There, look. Look. Oh my God, it's true. An eagle's just come out.
You think the eagle is waiting for the bat?
Yeah, look, he's circling it. He's waiting to get the bats. This is crazy.
I didn't even know eagles ate bats, by the way. Did you?
No way. Someone said that an eagle comes out and I was like, no way we're gonna get to see this. This is real nature. I can see on the camera as well, there's loads of bugs coming. Guys, I think we might get a show. If the eagle's out, then it must be nearly time for the bats to come out.
What's that there? Is that another eagle?
Another eagle. Another eagle, look. No way. Wow, this is actually insane. There's another one. There's another one. Okay, we've got 3 eagles. Trav, you really, really wanted to see an eagle, didn't you, mate?
I'm starting to actually like, oh my God, I'm so excited about this.
Bird.
Right. Is it an eagle?
What is it?
What is it?
Then I'm waiting for
The
For
bat.
the bats.
To eat them.
for the eating.
Yeah.
No.
Are they eagles? Yeah.
Is it an eagle?
Yeah.
Eagle, wow.
Small,
We saw one over there as well.
you see that our eagle.
Really?
Oh my
Wow.
God, straight away.
Wow, wow.
You know time, yeah. This time we come every day.
Every day?
Every day.
Every day. You know
Wow.
time that our we come getting.
Wow.
Oh my God.
The eagle's getting them, look. No way. Wow. Oh, there's loads more, look.
Oh
Oh.
my God.
There's thousands.
Have some place.
Wow. That's more than thousands.
Can I use your phone?
Oh, it's still going.
What do you want to film? Go
No.
Oh my gosh, so many bats. So many.
There's the eagle capturing them, look. The eagle's eating them. Look at them looping. Oh. It's still going. Do you reckon it's like millions? Wow, it's still going. Wow, look, there's more and more. might be able to get a better view. They're still going. There's a few bats coming over our head, look. Still going, guys. And suddenly there's loads of noises. There is literally millions of bats coming out of this cave. The bats have started coming over our head like we hoped. And the eagle, look. Look, right above your head.
They're literally everywhere.
Trav,
Trav,
look.
there's another one. Oh, whoa.
They're all above
They
our
must
head.
all stick together. There's one just went over you, Rod. Look, all above the tree. Oh my God.
Wow, they're surrounding us.
This is so cool. Just, we'll never forget this. It's just
Core memory stuff.
core memory stuff. Wow.